Welcome to Madam Tulip Live, a Web3 spiritual consultation platform where you, as a spiritual guide, can provide your readings or healing sessions through video calls and get paid in BitcoinSV. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Madam Tulip Live to connect with your clients. Now let's begin. Step 1. Log in to madamtulip.com with Handcash. Step 2. Go to the live page and turn on the notification sound. This will allow you to receive incoming calls from your clients. Now, all you need to do is wait for your client to call you. Step 3. When you receive an incoming call from your client, tap the green circle with a receiver icon to connect. This will take you to the video call screen where you can provide consultation to your client. It is important to start the call with questions like, "Would you like a 15-minute session today?" and manage your delivery within that time length. The time left at the top of the screen indicates the time left before your client gets kicked out because of low balance. Your client can extend the session with no action required until the clock ends. Step 4. When you finish the call, just hang up by tapping the red circle button. The total amount will be shown on the screen. Your client may use a promo code issued by the platform. Advisors earn 91% of the total amount before the discount. Check your Handcash app to see your earnings. It goes right into your wallet after the call. And that's it. We hope you have a great experience on our platform. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching.